side. This is a WC-130J. The W stands for weather, the C stands for cargo. The airplane was originally designed, this type of airplane was originally designed back in the 40s, went into production in the 50s as an airlift airplane, would fly cargo around. We realized early on in the 70s when we started flying into hurricanes that this airplane was very well suited to fly into the hurricane. We like that it has propellers. We like that it flies slowly. We like that it can stay airborne for 14 hours. It carries a lot of fuel. So it gives us the perfect platform for flying in to hurricanes. We hang out in a hurricane for about 6 hours on each mission. Our missions can last up to 14 hours long. And we can fly a single hurricane with 3 airplanes. As one airplane is coming home, another one can head out to take its place. And the reason we always have 3 airplanes is because every time we take off, we get 2 airplanes ready. So if one of them breaks, our crew will move over to the other airplane and take that one. We don't like to miss any opportunity to provide information to the Hurricane Center. So a lot of people mistakenly think that we fly over hurricanes. We do not do that. We fly right through the middle of the hurricane, right where there's hail and lightning and rain and thunderstorms. There are only 12 airplanes in the world, in fact, allowed to fly into a thunderstorm. This is one of those 12 airplanes that you're going to walk through. This particular airplane was built in 1996. And as you get toward the front, you'll see a sheet of paper on your left that will tell you the name of every hurricane that this particular airplane has flown into. Let me demonstrate one thing from you. Can I grab a couple of helpers? I need one more.
You want to be a helper?
No. Okay. All right. I need you to be the eye of a hurricane. So what I need you to do is spin very slowly like that. All right. I need you to come over here. Slowly. Too fast. Go slow. So there's a lot of wind going around the hurricane. Not that slow. All right. So a lot of wind going around the hurricane, right? So we need to get the airplane. There you go. We need to get the airplane from here to the eye of the storm, all right, and all this wind. So think about it like a boat having to fight a current, right? So we're gonna, big tall wings, there you go. So we're gonna turn into the wind, and we're gonna fly sideways until we get into the hurricane. Until we get into the eye. What's in the eye of a hurricane? What's the eye like? Inside the eye. It's beautiful, right? The eye is beautiful. All right, so now when we get on this side, the wind is blowing from this direction. You're still an airplane. And watch your step. And we're gonna fly out this way. We're actually gonna go about 100 miles away from the storm. And then we're gonna go to a new location and do that again. And then we'll go to a new location and do it again. Thank you all for helping. And we'll do that maybe 5 or 6 times while on each particular mission while we're flying in that storm. And then we'll start over, and when we run out of fuel, it's someone else's turn. All right, we'll give them just a few more minutes and then we'll have some room.